All right, welcome to Vita Veggie Health. In this brief tutorial, we're going to learn about the recipe tool. So, what's the recipe tool? So, the recipe tool is basically a tool that helps you to select the best food to eat. You don't have to know how to cook it because it gives you easy to follow instructions, and also there are a lot of filters that helps you to choose the meals based on your diet type and your nutrition targets. So in order to access the recipe tool, I can just use the menu bar, or I can just access them under nutrition tools. So I just click on browse recipes. So after clicking on browse recipes, I can see a lot of recipes on the platform. So one good thing about this thing is that first of all, you can sort out the recipes based on different criteria. So you can sort out in ascending or descending order, or you can choose the latest recipes first. And also, the filter tool helps you to actually get straight to the type of recipes you want based on your nutrition targets and your diet type. So you don't have to scroll through every single recipe to find what works for you. You can just use the filter tool. So I've clicked the filter tool now, so I can select um, a category of recipes that I want. So I can select, maybe I want a breakfast recipe, lunch, dinner, snack, dessert, smoothie, soup, salad, main course. So I can select whatever I want. But right now I want to view all the recipes. So I'll just click all categories. So after the category section, I can select my dietary preference. So let's say you are just a vegetarian, specifically an ovo vegetarian, and you want to access recipes that are only for ovo vegetarians, right? So you don't need to see the other recipes for pescatarians and omnivores and other people. So you just select ovo vegetarian. So it just shows you recipes that are only for ovo vegetarians. But right now, I just want to select all diet types because I want to see all the recipes. So you can also select the maximum calories that of food that you want to be displayed, and also you can choose your preparation time. Let's say you want to access meals that can be cooked under 15 minutes. You can choose that. And after that, you can select your allergens. So let's say you're allergic to peanuts, you're allergic to soy. So you can select specifically the allergens that you want to avoid. So the recipe platform automatically removes all the recipes that contains the ingredients that you're allergic to. So that's the filtration tool. So after using the filtration tool, I'll just get back to my recipes. So the platform automatically applies all the criteria that you select with a filter. So it displays what you want to see. So the first recipe that I see is almond milk. So one thing is that you see the recipe image, which is very neat, the recipe name, and then the health benefits of the recipe. So that's one unique thing about our health platform. I don't think you're going to get it anywhere else. So it tells you what the health benefits of almond milk. So it's recommended for your muscular skeletal system, for your skin, for your heart, and for pregnant women. So it's very easy, and it contains the preparation time, the calories, and the serving size. So same thing for all the other recipes: avocado shake, banana shake, banku with soup, beet dressing, coconut milk, and a whole lot of other recipes that you can select from. So let's say I want to select the almond milk. Actually, I really like the almond milk, so I'll just hit on favorites. So after hitting on favorite, that heart icon there, it'll just get that almond, my almond milk recipe will get saved at the favorite section under my account. So the next time that I want to access that particular recipe, I don't need to come back to the recipe platform again. I'll just go to my favorite section. I can see my almond milk recipe. So let's say, okay, I want to find out the details about almond milk. Why should I select that recipe, or why should I try out that recipe? So I just click on it. So I can see that almond milk is very good for my heart, it's good for my skin, It's good for my musculoskeletal system. So I probably should try out almond milk. So, and it's just 15 minutes. So under 15 minutes, I can just get an almond milk ready. It's 362 calories, 4 servings. So that's very good for me. And I can eat as breakfast, as a beverage, and as a snack. So if you are someone who is very mindful of your nutrient targets like me, you would want to check other details. So the protein content of the almond milk, that's 13.2 grams of protein, that's per serving. So that's really good for me. And then I can check out the ingredients that I need for my almond milk. So I have raw almonds and water. So that's very easy to get. And gives me the instructions, the allergens, and the daily dozen category. So I think I really like this. And I want to try out an almond milk recipe. Maybe not right now. So I'll just save it and view it later. So that's basically how the recipe platform works. So that's same for all the other recipes on the platform. You can basically access them, get a nutritional console, and get all the other details that you need. So I think you should try out the recipe platform. All right, so thank you for watching and see you in the next video.